Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Samsung's most rugged and feature-packed smartwatch yet, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. If you're looking for power, precision, and a bold design that doesn't shy away from the elements, this watch might just be what you've been waiting for. Right out of the box, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 makes a statement. With its premium titanium frame, squared-off edges, and raised bezel, it's clear Samsung is targeting outdoor athletes and tech enthusiasts who demand durability and style. It's larger than the standard Galaxy Watch 7, with a 47mm case that feels substantial but not overwhelming. Available in titanium gray, white, and black, it balances a premium look with true ruggedness. It's MIL STD810H certified and water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it ideal for swimming, hiking, or even diving. Now let's talk about the display, and it's gorgeous. The 1.5-inch Super AMOLED screen is bright, crisp, and visible even under harsh sunlight. With peak brightness pushing past 3000 nits, readability is never a concern. The always-on display feature has been optimized for battery efficiency, and the new watch faces offer even more customization for your workouts, health stats, and daily schedule. Under the hood, we're looking at the latest Exynos W1000 processor, built on a 3nm architecture. It's more power efficient and faster than last year's model. Paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, the Watch Ultra 2 runs incredibly smooth, whether you're swiping through apps, navigating maps, or tracking real-time workouts. It's powered by Wear OS 5 with Samsung's One UI Watch 5 on top, bringing a polished, snappy interface with better integration with Android phones, especially Galaxy devices. Fitness tracking takes a serious step up this year. There's dual-frequency GPS for improved accuracy, even in dense cities or remote trails. Heart rate monitoring, ECG, SpO2, sleep tracking, and body composition analysis are all on board. But what really sets this watch apart is its personalized fitness coaching. Whether you're training for a marathon or just hitting your step goal, the Watch Ultra 2 gives real-time feedback, suggested recovery times, and VO2 max estimates, all synced to Samsung Health. Battery life. Better than expected. Samsung claims up to 100 hours in power-saving mode and around 48 hours in typical use. In our testing, with GPS workouts, notifications, sleep tracking, and always-on display turned on, we managed about 2 full days without reaching for the charger. And when you do need to juice it up, fast charging brings you from 0 to 45% in just 30 minutes. Let's not forget connectivity. You get LTE options, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and even the new UWB chip, which opens up interesting possibilities like precise device tracking and digital car keys on supported models. There's also improved call clarity and speaker volume, making it practical for those on-the-go calls without reaching for your phone. So, who is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 for? If you're an athlete, an explorer, or someone who just wants the most capable smartwatch Samsung has ever made, this one's for you. It's more than just an accessory, it's a powerful health companion, a navigation tool, and a productivity device strapped to your wrist. Of course, it's not cheap, priced higher than the standard Watch 7, but for what it offers in durability, performance, and advanced features, the value is definitely there. It's Samsung's answer to the Apple Watch Ultra, and in many ways, it not only matches, it exceeds expectations. That wraps up our full review of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. If you're considering making the switch or upgrading your current smartwatch, this one deserves a top spot on your list. Let me know what you think about the Ultra 2 in the comments. Would you go for this over the Apple Watch Ultra or stick to a more minimal design? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.